Hi guys, it's Blair and I'm back with you to talk about the next steps in our fourth quarter Smart System Data Initiative. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving and hope you had a productive time in regrouping and retraining your teams around the Smart System throughout the month of November. December's focus is all about setting up a good report leading into 2026. This is a great time to tell you about some new enhancements to our Report Builder module over the last 30 days or so. These include some of the following. First, you'll see new template options. These include pages with new configurations for more graphs and charts, along with templates for combinations of pictures, text, and graphs. Additionally, you'll see the functionality of being able to move page orders around with the new drag and drop feature, which we think we'll like a lot. You'll also see picture handling, and the ability to adjust pictures has been enhanced. Similarly, you can now search the media library by date created to provide better search functionality when you're wading through hundreds of pictures. Creating autosave features to help provide more assurances the work you've done has been saved is also a new addition. You'll see the autosave countdown in the top left of the report builder. Okay, so now that we have all of this new functionality in place, we're wanting to step up our reporting game all across the system. So here's what we're specifically asking of you. Each of our programs should fulfill a basic obligation of completing a monthly report, regardless of whether your customer demands one or not. As you know, we've created our report builder functionality to be template driven, meaning once you set up your template, your report format should remain consistent. You won't have to start with a blank report each month. Once you've designed that layout and picked the right stats, then it's just a matter of going to report and selecting that really cool button that says make a copy. Once you set up a great report, that button is going to be your best friend. During the month of December, we want you to build out a basic template that will allow you to easily update each month in 2026. By creating a template, this will allow your stats to automatically populate into the template to create each month's report by only having to update pictures and text. So please don't wait to get started. Go into the report builder and pick a cover, then add some pages you're interested in, save your template with a name, maybe it's template 26. If you mess up something, remember just to press the undo button at the top. You'll find that adding a widget in one of the page layouts you select is pretty simple. Now, I want to give you a few quick tips on building a report. First, don't try to make a report too large to start. Keep it simple. You can always add more pages later. Second, try to come up with the graphs that represent things that are important to your customer. If you know they're fanatical about graffiti, then include graffiti as a stat. Third, consider sectioning out separate pages of your report for each of the different functions you may have. For example, one for safety, one for cleaning, one for outreach, or any other functions you might have at your program. When picking your stat types, explore the different types of graphs, such as pie graphs, horizontal bar graphs, vertical bar graphs, line graphs, etc., to make your chart and your report overall more visually appealing. Keep up with your media library throughout the month. If you know of a good picture that you'd like to use in your report, be sure to click the heart button at the top to add it to your favorites list so it's easy to find when you go build that report. Okay, I hope this is enough to get you started. On the SharePoint homepage, you're also going to see an example of a pretty solid board-ready report that you can consider as you build your report template. If you have questions or need help, remember, just submit a bug ticket and somebody will reach out to you. Thanks again. We're going to be back with you in early January with our last topic, which is all about some next-level data usage and how to incorporate that next-level data thinking into your program. With that, we want to wish you a great rest of your holiday season, and we'll see you soon.